Hey, what's going on, everyone? We got probably 12 hours of work into this puppy. Just lost the keys. Hopefully I didn't lock them in the trunk. So I have 12 hours of work. Beautiful TIG weld around here. I'm so proud of myself, actually. If you take your time and don't overheat the parts, nothing works. Just make sure, this is this part, these two parts, this is all pressed, so it's actually hard to work with. But over here, I got barely anything to send over to my other project, which is going to be removed. I have new wheel wells coming right there, slightly wider. The wheel's going to come out a little bit. Slight damage to the rail over here, but smoking. I got everything adjusted. The hinges, I think hinges are a little tight, so I think they got a little slightly disturbed, but I'm pretty sure that everything's going to be working fine. I'll just move them up. The lock is a little stiff too, but beautiful up and down movement without any type of scrapes. Body line is nice and straight. Beautiful. This part down here is still not welded. I gotta take care of that. I'll show you a couple pieces right here. This is a TIG weld I've done. It goes all the way down to where I'm gonna finish it up. This part right here, it's not attached down here. I gotta make cuts and other couples that we see. This was repaired 2 years ago. It's pretty sad what's